Today's video is if you should buy blue light glasses. Are they beneficial to you? Will they actually block blue light? If you don't know what blue light is, it damages your sleeping schedule technically. You're staring at screens 24/7, and especially now in today's society, we are spending a very long time on our devices. Blue light will make us stay up a lot longer, and our day and night cycle will be damaged, as well as it just overall is bad for your health. These will help. They're only $15. They come with two. I got the black and clear version, but there are many different colors and variants. I'll leave a link in the description. These have about almost 5 stars on Amazon by 1.5 thousand different people. So if you don't believe me that these are good, go ahead and see the other reviews. Comes in this nice black box with a gold accent on the front that says your satisfaction is lifelong pursuit. We have two little baggies with the glasses. We have a premium microfiber cloth, which I really like. It's nice and thick. We have a screwdriver, a little keychain to be able to adjust the glasses if you need them to be adjusted. And since it's a Phillips screw, you can basically use it for almost anything else. And it's nice because it's small, compact, and it's a little keychain. And then this card. So they come like this, with a little protector. So these are the clear ones. They look very nice, high quality. They have a nice tint to them. I did open this, so it does have fingerprint. But as you can see, they're probably, you can't see, but they have a nice yellow tint to them. And the reflection, as you can see, it has like a blocking out of blue light. So these have nice reflectors. So that's the first pair. And they don't feel cheap, they feel really good. Here's the second pair. Same thing, you have a protector. And there. So I believe you can see the yellow tint to it. Hopefully. I'm going to be testing these out for days on end. I just got them today, but I really like them. They also help with technology migraines, so you get less headaches when you're on devices. So if you're on your devices for a very long time, these will definitely help. If you're working from home, which most likely you will be, definitely get these. I believe they have a black and a white version. I got the black and clear. There is a 15% off discount when you buy this, so they're even cheaper. So that's pretty cool. But if you do review the item, you just contact them and you get a $10 gift card. So these are theoretically super cheap. You could get these for like $5 if you review it as well. I'm not reviewing it. This is a non-biased review. I had to pay this with my own money, but I thought they were really cool because I'm a gamer and I play hours on hours of gaming. Now the difference between gaming glasses and blue light glasses are gaming glasses don't block out blue light that I know of. Some of them do, like the more higher end ones, but these do block out blue light. So I just checked and opened up this. It comes with a nice high quality bag as well as microfiber cloth, so it comes with two. But this feels really good, premium. Definitely able to take off the fingerprints and dust. Yep, wiped them off perfectly. So I really like this a lot. It's one of the best microfiber cloths I have. I do have other ones, but these ones are really nice as well. So a microfiber cloth like this already costs normally like $3 probably. And then it comes with this microfiber bag or a suede bag with drawstrings. And take it for travel. And also does have branding right there. On the blue light test, as you can see a big difference from just this one spot. And I could put this up to the lens You can see a big difference, definitely. Thank you guys for 27,000 views on my best RGB strips. I'm gonna have another RGB IC video coming out, which is our new video. So as you can see, when you're watching a media, you can block out blue light. And as you can see, it has like a nice yellow tint to it. It's a very subtle tint, but then again, these are 15 bucks, and you're getting two. They're not going to be the most high quality yellow tint and premiumness, but they are really good glasses. So I'm going to go ahead and test these out even more, and I'm going to give you another review probably in a month or two. But these overall, I really like them a lot. Really good quality, doesn't feel cheap. Comes with microfiber cloth, microfiber bag, and 2 glasses, as well as a screwdriver, which is awesome. And you can also get cheaper by doing a review, get a $10 Amazon gift card. It says only 1 per household, and it just looks really amazing. Overall good product, definitely buy it. Just check the links in the description if you don't want these specific ones. If you just want one or a high quality one, just check out the link in the description and it'll do related items, and you can go ahead and check it out.